HONOR Magic 6 Pro review. Greetings, everyone. Today, I'm here with one of the most exciting stars of the tech world, the HONOR Magic 6 Pro. This device is nothing short of enchanting, with its stunning design and impressive features. If you're passionate about technology and love staying ahead with the latest product reviews, you're in the right place. By subscribing to the channel and liking this video, you can support this exciting journey and ensure you never miss the freshest content. Now, let's take a closer look at this amazing device and discover all its details, design and durability. Let's start with the design. The HONOR Magic 6 Pro masterfully combines elegance and durability. With dimensions of 162.5 by 75.8 by 8.9 mm and weighing 225 grams, it offers a compact structure that fits perfectly in your hand. The front and back surfaces are made of glass, while there's also an eco-leather alternative. Additionally, its IP68 certification ensures resistance to water and dust, making it a reliable companion even in tough conditions. Just a small note. Your support keeps me going. Don't forget to subscribe. Display technology. The device's display is absolutely dazzling. The 6.8-inch LTPO OLED screen offers support for 1 billion colors, a 120Hz refresh rate, and HDR, delivering a spectacular visual experience. With a peak brightness of 1600 nits, HPM, and an astonishing 5000 nits, every detail remains vivid, even under direct sunlight. The 1280 by 2800 pixel resolution and 453 ppi pixel density provide outstanding sharpness and detail. A quick reminder. You are my source of motivation. Please subscribe to the channel. Performance and software. Now, on to the powerhouse features. The device is equipped with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, built on a 4nm manufacturing process, effortlessly handling the most demanding tasks. Its octa-core structure and Adreno 750 GPU ensure smooth performance, whether for daily tasks or intense gaming. On the software side, it runs the latest Android 14 operating system paired with the Magic OS 8 user interface. There are also extensive memory configurations to suit every need. 256GB storage plus 12GB RAM. 512GB storage plus 16GB RAM. 1TB storage plus 16GB RAM. With these options, you won't have to compromise on speed or storage. Quick note. You are the reason this channel thrives. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Camera performance. Let's talk about the cameras. The HONOR Magic 6 Pro excels in this area as well. 50MP wide-angle main camera with laser autofocus, PTAF, and OIS for ultra-clear photos. 180MP telephoto lens with 2.5x optical zoom and OIS, perfect for both close-ups and distant shots. 50MP ultra-wide lens with a 122-degree field of view, capturing wide scenes with stunning detail. The front camera setup includes a 50MP main lens and a TOF 3D depth sensor, producing exceptional results for portraits and videos. The rear camera supports 4K 60fps, while the front camera offers 4K 30fps recording. Just a gentle nudge. My motivation comes from your support. Please subscribe to the channel. Battery and charging. The battery life of this powerhouse is equally impressive. Its 5600 mAh capacity ensures a full day of heavy usage with ease. The charging capabilities are just as remarkable. 80 watts fast wired charging. 66 watts wireless charging. Reverse charging support to power up other devices. Here's a quick reminder. Your support means everything to me. Don't forget to subscribe. Connectivity and extra features. Finally, let's cover connectivity and extra features. 5G support. Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 5.3. NFC and infrared port. stereo speaker system and an under-display fingerprint scanner round out the package. One small favor. Your contribution makes all the difference. Please subscribe to the channel. Conclusion. And that's the HONOR Magic 6 Pro. A phone that pushes boundaries with its design and performance. Do you think this device can outshine its competitors? I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video, take care and goodbye.